Mr. Riyaz Sahab, Mr. Sulari Sahab, ladies and gentlemen, I am very delighted. I was almost driving out to Faisalabad when I was caught at the door, and the Minister for Planning asked me to stand in for him. And it's indeed a pleasure for me. I was part of this great activity here. 32 sessions, discussion sessions were conducted. My hats off to SDPI for bringing so many people together, for deliberating in such an organized manner. I, on behalf of the government, assure Mr. Sulari that we will be waiting for the recommendations and we will give the due importance. We will, inshallah, incorporate those recommendations in our policy, in our budget allocations and policy improvements. Certainly, SDPI is playing a great role. With so many delegates coming from all over SAARC countries, it is greatly appreciated. I'll just pick up one or two points. The relations with India are very important because within the SAARC, India is the leading country. Pakistan is only number 2 in numbers, in everything. And I cannot agree more with Mr. Tariq Banuri on cooperation and teamwork to develop this region. And I have dilated on imbalanced development in one of the sessions that I chaired, what an imbalanced development can bring. And I would like to repeat that here. And I did discuss this in the 9th South Asia Economic Summit at Dhaka. I mean, let's suppose India becomes a very rich country and Pakistan remains a very poor country, and there is an imbalance. What is happening today in this part of the world? People are trying to enter shipping containers to go to economic destinations. They're risking their lives. They die on high seas just to take a chance in their life to go to an economic where they can get more salaries and more benefits. So if one country in this region becomes a lighting tower, the fences will not work. People will make tunnels underground and reach out for economic reasons. So, I mean, I'll very briefly say that balanced development in the region and cooperation, we've been told of so many resources and all that thing, it is a reality. This whole region can prosper, but it is the mindset. But what is happening? We are warmongering. And in reality, I realized when I went to Paris as an envoy of the Prime Minister to discuss humanitarian violations in Kashmir and talking to their think tanks, it just occurred to me what is happening in Kashmir. This guy, Burhan Wani, what was he? He decided, or he concluded, that peaceful resolution of Kashmir issue is not possible. Pakistan is talking of dialogue, they can't even have a dialogue. 70 years have passed, the new generation is young, dynamic, this generation will not wait for 70 more years. Not in Pakistan, not in India, not in Kashmir. So he decided to pick up guns, went to hills, tried an internet network of people, convincing them. Indian intelligence traced him. This